This is a media converter casing. We need to open it for making a mini UPS. We are going to make a mini UPS for Wi-Fi, router and ONO. If you want to make it, please subscribe to my channel and push the bell icon and follow on Facebook. Watch this full video. I will make it only 150 rupees. This is a voltage boosting charging module. You no need another circuit for charging and voltage boosting. You can buy this in a local market. Price only 60 rupees. Now I am connecting the battery to this circuit. You can use 3.7 volts battery and this can you buy only 50 rupees. If you feel boring to see this video, you can go my channel or inside Facebook page. I also make a short video to this. This is a output connection and this we can connect my Wi-Fi router and ONO. This will perform smoothly. If you can't understand my voice, please comment on this video. This module make 3.7 volt to 40 volt DC and we need a voltage for router or ONO 12 volt, but we set this voltage on 13 because when we boost a voltage, current is gone down. So no problem in 13 voltage to 15 voltage. Before I don't know this module is workable or not for router and ONO mini UPS, but when I make and test it, I am shocked to see this performance. This is work smoothly and backup performance is awesome. 5 to 6 hour backup is this device on my single router. If you can't believe this, you can see full video and you can make one piece. After make one piece yourself, you comment on my video how much performance you get. Now all connection is ready. Now normally we fix this for testing purpose. You can use this DC pin for 2 or more connection. I can speak English smoothly, so forget it and make it for yourself, and you can make it for business purpose. Now time to test, and you can see this device. My router is run on 12 volt. That is no problem. This is now working. You can see it. You can well make it good. So thanks for watching full video and thanks for like, comment and sharing. Bye bye.